Ready to ditch the dropshipping chaos and unlock a world of seamless automation? Today, we're diving deep into connecting Autods with Amazon and Temu, transforming your dropshipping business into a well-oiled, profit-generating machine in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Autods website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Ad Store section. This is where the magic begins. Select Amazon as your first store to connect. You will then be prompted to grant Autods access to your Amazon Seller Central account. Make sure to carefully review the permissions before authorizing the connection. Next, let's integrate Temu. Go back to the Ad Store section, and this time, select Temu. Autods will guide you through a similar authorization process, linking your Temu supplier account again. Review those permissions. With both platforms connected, you can now import products from Temu directly into your Amazon store with just a few clicks. Autods automatically handles inventory synchronization, price updates, and order fulfillment, saving you countless hours of manual work. See those orders coming in? Autods automatically forwards them to your Temu supplier, ensuring timely processing and shipment. This integrated system streamlines your entire dropshipping workflow, making it more efficient and scalable. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Autods with Amazon and Temu, automating critical tasks and freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Now go out there and conquer the dropshipping world.